Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna talk about the course that I'm about to take, which is the process of starting your own project. And before I do that, let me introduce myself. My name is Huang, and I'm from one university in Cambodia. And the first thing I'm gonna talk about is the overview and the introduction of this course. So, what is this course about? This course is about this process, how you can create your own project from scratch without any knowledge. No, not without any knowledge, at least no one language. You can't program anything without knowing any language, so you must know at least one language. Okay? And it does not matter whether your project is big or small. You're gonna have a plan before doing it, right? If you have never experienced something like this before, this course is right for you. You're gonna know what it takes to start your own project, what to consider before doing it. Okay? So, and the requirement, like I said before, you must know at least one language. You don't have to be professional at it, and just know some basics, some understanding how the programming work. And it does not matter whether it is Java, C++, C Sharp, or Python. Yeah, it does not matter. This course is right for you for any language. Okay, and remember, this course is not about the coding. It is more like it to be planning and analyzing. So the next thing I'm gonna talk about is the outcome of this course. Okay, the outcome of this course is you will know what it costs to start your own project and what to plan and what to consider and how to plan everything out, how to break it into small steps, and how to find the right platform for each step of your program. I'm gonna give you some tips before we continue on, and those tips are don't worry to make mistakes. When I first started out, I'm so anxious about making mistakes. I'm boring, and this is where I can't continue and I can't go back. I just stuck there. I'm thinking about those mistakes. So don't worry about the mistake. Just go right after the plan or after your idea come up to your brain. And yeah, don't worry about the mistake and don't always think too much. Why? Because overthinking tends to waste a lot of time, and just it's completely a waste of time because after a while you're gonna forget about it. So the last tip I'm gonna give you is don't underestimate the task. Don't say that it's too easy, I'm gonna do it later. No, don't do that. It is the big mistake I made, and people around me as well, they made the same mistake. So why underestimate the task is the big mistake? Because when people underestimate something, they tend to be careless and procrastinate. So don't do that. Make sure you know everything. Don't know just a little bit of those things and you say that it's too easy for you. No, don't do that. And the last thing I'm gonna talk about is the outline of this course. So I'm gonna show you the screen and let me put it right into here. Okay. So the first video or the first week is going to be overview and introduction, which is this video. Okay. And the next video is how to come up with an idea. If you don't have any idea what to do, this video is right for you and you will like it. And the next video is how to start and break it into steps. This is where you plan everything out, and I will show you my own process as well. And the next week is more likely to be UI and UX. If your program does not require you to have UI and UX, you can skip this week, but I suggest you to learn it as well because you will know what program should you use to do UI and UX, what it takes before you start doing it. and you're gonna see my own process as well about how I create my UI and UX. Okay, and the third week is about database, and if your program require you to store some data into database, then third week is right for you. And the fourth week is about front end, how to find the right platform for your front end, and how I build my actual front end from my UI and UX. Okay, and week 5 is about backend. I'm gonna show you what language to choose for the backend and how to connect front end and database while using backend. And that's a wrap up for the outline and also the wrap up of this video as well. So see you in the next video and goodbye. Stay home and stay safe.